In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to open any browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome. You can use Opera, whatever browser you want, and start searching in Google for a Fortnite. Mobile, like that. Press go, read more, I agree, and from here just press on the first link you can see, click on the download anyway. When it's done, open, and we'll need to grant our browser permission to install unknown apps. So let me just do that and select install. Now that our install is complete, we can open the app, and from here we can press get on any game we want from this Epic Games launcher, but we are interested in Fortnite, so let's press get, install, and now it will start downloading. After it's done, select the launch, and the game will open, but it will still need to download the game itself. So wait for the download to complete, and you'll be able to log in and play the Fortnite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.